Tired of that plain square webcam getting in the way? Let's give your stream a sleek, circular refresh in OBS. First, open OBS Studio and ensure your webcam is added as a video capture device source. If you haven't done this yet, simply click the plus icon under Sources, select Video Capture Device, and choose your webcam from the drop-down menu. Now, right-click on your webcam source in the Sources dock from the context menu. Hover over Filters. This will open the Filters window. In the Filters window, click on the plus icon under Effect Filters to add a new filter. From the list of available effect filters, select Crop Pad. This is where we'll do the magic to create a circle. We need to crop the image equally from all sides. The amount you crop will depend on your webcam's aspect ratio. For most webcams, which are typically widescreen, you'll crop from the left and right to make it square first. Let's start by entering a numerical value into the left and right crop fields. I'll use 300 as an example. You'll immediately see the webcam feed in your preview window start to crop in from the sides. Keep adjusting these values until your webcam feed is as close to a perfect square as possible. Once you have a square, we need to add another filter for the actual circular crop. With the crop pad filter still selected, click the plus icon under Effect Filters again. This time, select the Image Mask Blend filter. In the Image Mask Blend settings, click on the Mask Blend Type drop-down from this list, choose Circle. And there you have it. Your webcam is now beautifully cropped into a circle. You can resize and reposition it within your scene to perfectly complement your stream layout. This simple adjustment significantly enhances the professionalism and visual appeal of your broadcasts. Give it a try and see the difference.